Lovelies, welcome to my channel, The Productive Girl. Today let's unbox this amazing study/laptop work table. It will be really useful if you don't have a study table. Also for those who are attending online classes or those who are working from home. Let's get started. So this is how the packaging came in. The packaging was really good. It came in this double packaging thing. This is how it looks. It looks really pretty. They have few color options and I went with this pink color and it is really pretty. It can be really helpful if you're someone who doesn't have a designated study space or desk. You can use this desk on your floor and just study or do your work. When we work or study on a floor, tend to keep our laptop on the floor. And the eye level between our eyes and the laptop will be downwards, like you have to bend and use your laptop to study or work, and this causes neck pain and eye strain and all, which is not really good if you want to do it for a long period of time. That's why this kind of laptop work table comes in handy and useful. This helps to keep your laptop at your eye level. This causes less eye strain and neck pain so that it will be convenient for you to work from home or attend your online classes or even study from your floor. You can keep this table at anywhere you want. You can use it in your bed, you can use it on your floor, you can use it on your terrace, your balcony, wherever you want it to be. I feel this table is the best option available in Amazon because the durability of this table is just amazing. It is really strong and sturdy. The upper part is also smooth and the finishing is really good and it is not flimsy at all. If we keep the stuff also, it just stays strong and nice, which we really want. With this work table, you can keep your laptop, mouse, even a notebook and a pen also. It has that much space on it, and the special part is it even has a mobile holder, so you can hold your mobile on it to use it in a landscape mode. Like if you attend your online classes using your mobile, then you can keep it in this mobile stand in a landscape mode and just take your notes using your notebook on the work table. So it's really convenient that way. You want to watch a movie or videos, you can also use it that way. I've been using this for over an year now and I totally love this. This helps me to stay focused and productive whenever I feel so lazy or just unfocused with my environment. I just pick my laptop and this table and just change the environment and just sit and work on other room like living room or on the floor, and it just works well. I found this work table really helpful and it made me so productive. That's why I thought of sharing it with you guys. I will leave a link of this table in the description box below if you want to check it out. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.